guys, this is Astasha, entertaining your mind one video at a time. Welcome back to my crazy world. I am in Italy. You know, my annual family road trip with my parents. Last year I went to New Zealand, the year before that I went to US. I am in Italy for like 22 days. We've landed in Milan last night, we just crashed, and now we're heading out to explore. I think we're just going to be shopping in Milan because there's not much to see because it's like a city and I want to shop a lot. Also, it's really scary here because there's a lot of pickpocketing, so we have like so many things on us to make sure nothing gets stolen.
We'll end up all four of us will end up buying a monkey cat.
I have मेरा chance over there.
You want to like a... Have come to H&M and I'm trying like a few things over here. This is like my tag to wear around, but I like these pants, they look cool. We had pizza because we were damn hungry for lunch, and then we came around shopping. We went to this one place, shopping place, which is called 20 Fashion something, which was shown on ChatGPT, but it turned out to be really expensive. Like one thing was like for 60,000 rupees INR. So now we've come to this other street. It's called Caso something. It's so tough to remember the names, but here there's like Zara, H&M. There are also a lot of local brands here. So we just started off. Let's see if I get some stuff.
अब इसमें देख 60-65 euros वापस मिल जाए.
कितना shopping कर लिया. Couldn't really vlog so much yesterday because we were just shopping and roaming around. We went to the Milan Cathedral and we walked 20k steps yesterday. That's how much we walked, and then we just shopped on the streets. We went to the Duomo street for shopping, where there's a lot of luxury shopping but also local stores. I bought stuff from H&M, Zara. Stuff is different here, of course, than Bombay. Went to Primark, shopped a lot in Primark. There was a bill of like 3,300 plus euros. Here there's also something really cool. If you shop more than 70 euros, you get like a VAT refund once you go to the airport. You get like 22% refund. If you eat at restaurants, you need to pay for the plates, like 1.50 euros. So either you pack it and take it and eat in the park somewhere, or you like eat there and you pay for the plates. But yeah, we're just getting to know everything. We're just getting there. Today we're going to another village, kind of a place which is 1 hour away from Milan, to shop. Today we're also getting our car. We're getting late. We need to travel by train, go to Hertz, get the car, and then travel to the village. I can't remember, but the village's name is Serravalle or something like that. I'll reach there and tell you which one. This is the car, guys. He was going from the other side, thinking it's India ka car. This is left hand car for the next 20 days. Guys, it's a 9-seater car. We had to take such a big car because of so much of luggage. Literally 3 people can sit here. Yeah, there's one more person.
हाँ, स्लोप कर बेटा, स्लोप कर दे. गाड़ी चल लेफ्ट जाता रहेगा हाथ.
We have come to the Serravalle designer outlet. I feel this is all like one year older collection, but I think that's what makes it slightly cheaper. I'm gonna do a separate video of all the stuff I buy, so this I'm not gonna like vlog too much. Guys, we didn't end up buying anything at the store over there because everything was worth like 30,000, 40,000, 50,000, and I can't. So now we've come to a grocery store and we're doing some grocery shopping, like fruits and breads and cheese and avocado for breakfast. Can you see the size of the cabbage? 450 rupees का tomato तुम ले रहा है mom.
It's okay, can't help it.
Favorite part? Just look at the size of the capsicum. I mean, I just cannot. Bought the Philadelphia cheese, and this also some different kind of cheese we're gonna try, and blueberry is my favorite. Also picked up some bread to have with cheese and avocado. It is 6:15 a.m. in the morning. And we've kept our bags out. We're checking out from here and we are going to our next location, which is Tirano. No, it's closer to Tirano. I forgot the name of the place. I keep forgetting places' names and it's damn tough to pronounce most of it. But today we thought it's just a one-day stay over there because then we are heading to Dolomites. So we thought we'll take like a very famous train just to Switzerland and come back the same day. We've been to Switzerland like in 2007 and it's 2026. That's crazy. We're just going by like a train named Bernina Express. So while going, we're going in the regular train, and while coming back, we're coming in that because it's a little expensive. So for 4 of us, it's 30k together, and that's the Bernina Express. And the regular train is like 8 or 9k for all 4 of us. So one way to experience, I think it's good. We're staying there for like an hour or 2 hours, and then we're coming back. We're going from Tirano to Saint Mortis, and I'm quite excited, but it's gonna be damn cold. From here to 2.5 hours drive, we leave our bags in the next Airbnb and then we straight take the train. So yes, I'm excited. We've reached the Tirano station. Okay, you would have told the TC family is coming, so stop the train.
What else?
The train does not stop for you
Otherwise,
family
even
people.
I would have got down. I said, let me also come.
We got a nice little chocolate. We'll keep this, Bernina Express, as a memory.
Yes.
Let's open one.
For-
Wait. Open full. Take a bite.
It's a mystery box.
What? What mystery box?
It's a mystery box.
Take a bite and review it. Arey, this looks like normal India mein what you get.
Sir, pan wale se leke aaya na.
Eat na one and review.
See how good the box is. More than the chocolate.
Lindt chocolate's written. Wow. Too good. Of the train you've made. It's the Bernina Express tea. Let's try. We paid how much? One person ka $64, 64 euros.
No. Euros no, CHF.
Oh, sorry.
Swiss franc.
64 Swiss franc for this and this and this.
ये लग रहा है राजस्थान जा रहे
कोई राजस्थान
Guys, we got free Bernina tea.
हैं. Oh yeah.
And
Free tea. Now we're gonna try this. So let's try this first. Then we'll use this. And if I like both, then we'll try matcha after this. So guys, please mention down in the comments how this would be. In my next reel, I will tell you how this would taste. Oh, so good. You should really try this in the summer in Bombay. You will love it.
It is genuinely very good. I'm not
Show me
kidding.
this.
These homes are so cute, na? These small homes.
गाड़ी खड़ा नहीं करता जब तक मैं पूरा स्टॉप नहीं गया तब तक ये घर तो आसान खोला नहीं
Too good, it's coming.
वो स्टैंड क्या हो गया रास्ता
Hello from day 2. This is my outfit. We are in the next Airbnb. We drove right now from Africa to Dolomites. The drive was absolutely beautiful. We are just closer and closer to snow. It's really cold here. I don't know why I'm wearing a skirt, but you know, na aesthetics, you know, na creators. I need to like, I'm putting up like a full series on Instagram about all the outfits I'm wearing over here. And as I go south, I think it's gonna get warmer. But when it's like really in the afternoon, like scorching heat, it is a little hot. It took us like 4 hours to reach here. We stopped in the middle just to have one pizza. Here you can just have pizza pasta mainly because vegetarian. And now we've come in our cute little Airbnb. It's a little bit of a mess, but I think it's damn pretty. And wait, let me show you the balcony. Little bit of the balcony. Okay, this is a part of a balcony, but it's like a little garden. You can see, and you can see the snowy mountains from here. A little bit of the mountains. Today is just a chill day, so we're just gonna be at home and vibe and just chill because 3-4 days have been extremely tiring, and we're gonna eat and sleep early today. My brother has made burrata pesto and something. Let's go.
बहुत ठंडी लग रही है
और चीज क्या है ये मीरा
Burrata cheese. He's opening it so aesthetically. I would have just like picked it up and eaten it. Wow.
ग्रीन कलर का क्या है
Pesto. And what is that? Nachni chips.
नहीं
Ragi chips.
Ragi chips. Good morning from the next day. This is my outfit for today. I've worn something damn different and I'm quite loving it. I've worn these new leg warmers and this fur top. Today we're just going to be chilling around here and there in Dolomites, and yeah, that's it. Like going to frozen lakes and chilling and chilly scenes. You can actually see the Alps from here. Just look at this beautiful lake here. We've stopped by to eat some pesto pasta. We've gotten off to eat some gelato. We've come here on the streets. This is Cortina. And just roaming around and chilling. There are like brands to shop from.
That's when I was getting derailed. I was like, okay,
We have come to the frozen lake. Parts of it are melting, if you can see. It is extremely cold here. It's very cold here. And I've worn a backless top.
सासरी पूरी ही करके गिर मत जाना she's standing, she's not moved an inch on हाइट भी है पूरा
नहीं और थोड़ा अंदर चलते हैं.
क्या हो रहा अभी तो ना बोल रही यार देख हम टेलिंग यू देख मैं बोल रहा ये बहुत
We just drove from Dolomites to Verona. And this is our new house. It's damn cute. The view from the Airbnb is so nice. We're leaving to explore Verona, and this is my outfit. Full Italy vibes. I was like, wow, this is so nice, but it's a dustbin. Wow. The full reflection is coming in the water. How it all looks in the night. I changed my top because it was a little uncomfortable, and I've changed into my sweater, no jacket. It was not very cold in the day, and now it's like little cold. This is a candy place. Just look at it. क्या है इधर?
Achija. Just change Achi Vanyo. See?
Achi Vanyo is a kachi word.
Because Italian here, so they change it to Achija.
Time for dinner at Trattoria. What is it called? The famous risotto of what? Yummy in the tummy. Tiramisu in Italy. It was so good. Tiramisu 10 on 10. Risotto 100 on 10. Fully recommended. Can you re-say this? How much did you pay for the plate?
€6.5. I would rather eat a plate. I'm sure my stomach is full.
Amorino gelato al naturali. Gelatio. In the shape of a flower. This is my fit for the day. Look at this. There's a bow behind. I don't know if I can show you, but we're going for pasta class and gelato making class today in Verona, and I'm just gonna shop around. Yeah, now today it's slightly more cold than normal, but I think I'm doing fine. घर पे तो कुछ कुकिंग करती ही नहीं है, इधर आके कुकिंग कर रही है. अभी जो तुम इधर सीखेगा तुम बनाएगा ना इंडिया में.
Only Italy. Yeah, like 3 weeks.
Now you can take here, break it exactly. Then look. You grab. Now please listen carefully with this part. Bye.
I said he's going, huh?
Then you can put these on the chairs right there.
Make out who's is who now.
I don't know.
Guess.
This is mine.
This is Aska's. बनाएगी खट्टा चीनी.
Wow.
iPhones, can you please turn your
Cheers. On to our next class, gelato making.
Each of you, yeah, part of the world you are. This one is Fertila.
Almost everything is good, maybe not.
Back home and very, very tired. But the pasta class was really nice. The gelato class I think is skippable because they don't really make you do anything. The pasta you make from scratch, from the dough, you cut it, everything. In the gelato, you're just putting cream, chocolate, and then it's just made in the machine. Both were like 6,000-7,000 per person. But there are not much activities to do here. Like New Zealand, US, there was skydiving and rafting and this, that, and many other things. Italy is known for pizza, pasta, and gelato. So that's why we thought, let's just do it as an activity. Also, I really liked Verona and Dolomites. But tomorrow we leave from Verona to Florence. And you're going to see the rest of Italy in the next vlog. Until then, if you like my videos, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. I will see you in the next one.